Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. Today I'll be showing you guys how to accumulate points on Bubble Map. And for those who have been traders and have been with me for a while, who have learned a lot while being with me, will understand what Bubble Map is being used for. But for the purpose of this video, we are not here to show each other what bubble map is used for or something. We are just trying to position for bubble maps. So here on bubble map, what you just need to be doing for you to accumulate more points is just this. Just pay attention and watch. For example, if you want to actually check your points, you can go to leaderboard just to see the amount of points you have every day. But mind you, don't just do a task and go back to check your points if it has increased or not. No, it doesn't work like that. The points doesn't accumulate instantly. Most times the points are being refreshed after 24 hours, maybe most times. So when it's refreshed after that time, all you need to do is put in the work and just watch out after 24 hours, see how your points grow. That's how it grows. As at yesterday, I think I was having 1000 plus points. So here and today is already 2343. So here, just pay a very good attention. I'll take you back to the home page of Bubble Maps. So what I will advise you to be doing, always check on these bubbles you see on the page here. Once you come to the home page, click on any of the bubbles. You might not understand what it works like, but I am just showing you this for the purpose of you accumulating points. It's not about really telling you what exactly it's based for. I actually had plans of actually making trainings. No, that's a bygone. There's no point talking about that. But here it's actually much about learning how to go about growing your points. So once you click on any bubbles, I will advise you always click on the bubbles that have much more connections, which shows that the wallet has actually made a lot of transfers within different wallets on the same project. So here, for example, we'll click on any project, which is this particular project is a Dutch cast. So here I'll click on show all the transfers that has happened on this wallet. So here it will show all the transfers that happen both the native tokens, and even stable coins and the rest. So once you've done that, all you need to do here, just click on this add 26 addresses to the map so that it will add it to the map and you'll be able to have access to all the wallets and see all the bubbles for this wallet on bubble map for this particular Dutch cast token. So once you click on this, it will load for a while. You can see the addresses are loading. So once it's done, you have to wait for it to finish loading, and you can keep doing this all over and over. Just it shows like you're making your research on bubble maps. You are using bubble maps to try to learn something, to know what is going on a particular token or on a particular trader's wallet address. So here it shows that you are engaging on their token, and doing all this will make you grow your points. So after doing this, you can actually go back, check for another address once again, or check on another token. You can see the add addresses has actually disappeared, which means everything is done fine. But our advice is, when you're doing it, don't just keep doing it on just one address or on just one token. What you should do is just go ahead, close this, for you to check for another address. Sorry, for you to check for another address now, all you need to do is go back, click on this search at the top right corner of your screen. You can search for any address of your, for example, you want to search Shiba, you can search Shiba, you can see Shiba, this is sheep. So once you click on it, for instance, make sure you've logged into your account. If you don't log into your account and you are doing all these things, it's like a wasted effort. I'm sorry to say, because it means you're just doing something and it will not count for you because your account is not even logged in. So that's what it means. So here, once you click on this, you can just you can also use this magic wand, magic sign, just so that you are using every feature you have on Bubble Map. It's not just one thing you keep doing over and over. You'll not be acting like a bot. So no, always try and explore every single thing we have on this chain. Try and click everything you're saying there. You don't have anything to lose because it's not a wallet you are connecting to, and that's connected to the platform that you say, oh, maybe they will charge me for fees, they will charge me for this. Nothing. Bubble Map is not charging you for anything. You're using their services virtually free, and you're using it even to earn at the end of the day. So here you can do as much as you like. There are a lot of things. So you can see after using the magic wand, after clicking that magic wand, what it means is that all, sorry, I mistakenly clicked new page. Okay, this is it. So after clicking on that magic wand, what it means is it will separate every wallet that are connected to each other aside. They will all be separate. You can see all this orange you're seeing. It means there is a connection between one wallet and all these other wallets you're seeing. That's what it means. Same goes for the other pink, the purple, and all the different colors. All the other colors you're seeing one. It means they only have one wallet connected on this particular token. They've made transaction just with one wallet on this particular token. That's what you're seeing there lonely and just one in one side. So you can click on other options. You see this is a date. Probably you want to set a calendar for something on this particular wallet or something. You just set the calendar. Just pay attention. It seems the network is kind of slow. I would have shown you everything. So it's still loading though. So just what I'm just trying to say basically is try to touch every feature you see on this particular platform. There has been no announcement. Nobody should tell, oh, if you do so thing, you earn more points or blah blah blah. No, whatever it is you're doing here, try to touch as much as possible. Try to touch everything you can, just so that you'll be able to earn more, because you don't know what exactly you will do that will give you more points than the other. So, but when you do everything, there is higher possibility of getting higher points. That's just basically what is happening on Bubble Map. So, thank you very much for watching my video. You can see different options here, and there's also a way of getting their hyperlink, which is this particular sign like chain. You can see permanent link rather. You can copy the permanent link, do different things on the platform. So I believe if you can just go and learn more about Bubble Map, it will not only help you earn points for their airdrop, but instead it will help you become a better trader by learning how to track even whale wallets and what they are buying. It will help you learn how to go about knowing what they are buying. So just try and learn more about Bubble Maps, and you come back and thank me later. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and also share with your friends and relatives so that they can benefit as well. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you in my next video.